How does OfferLab work? Now, I know you've been asking this question, and I'm glad I can show you a little bit of behind the scenes. There'll be a very quick overview. I also want to mention for about half this video talking about how you can promote it and why you should promote it. If you have any audience at all, this is one of the coolest promotions I've ever heard. But I also want to show you a little bit about what the platform is. People are already inside. You can actually get inside by going through this page and get access to all of this right now so you can look at it yourself. The link down, I'm going to do the launch first and then talk about this. I know this is what you care about, but this is going to give you access so you can get in, right? So down below this video, there's a link. It's going to take you to this page. You can sign up 100% for free. And even if you don't promote, that's going to get you access. Now, if you decide to promote, there's 100% commissions on the one upsell. The one upsell is awesome, by the way. I think it's a no-brainer if anyone's serious about this. But you also get 4% of the processing volume. Watch the video from Russell. That can change. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4%. It just depends on some different factors. But let's say, for example, there's an e-com company that you help them sign up. Let's say they do $100,000 of revenue a month, which actually is not that much in e-com. You would get 4% of that, $4,000 every single month for their life on OfferLab. And that can be every creator, you get a percent, and even for every affiliate, you get a percent of their merchant fees. So really, really cool. Make sure to sign up. The launch is there on September 11th, all that. So let's get in and how this actually works. What you're going to do is you're going to come in, you're going to click sell. This is where you are going to have your vault right here. This is going to be all your offers. So this is your courses. This is your digital products. This is your physical products, whatever it might be. Funnels are going to be primarily for affiliates. So an affiliate can come to the marketplace and I can sign up for this product and this product and this product. And then I can make it into my own funnel. So I can pick whichever products I want. Now, obviously I've got to apply for them, but I'd come here, I'd apply to promote this offer. I can go see the preview screen, obviously. And now I can select what I want my funnel to look like between my own offers and other people's offers. This is really cool because you can use other people's offers as an upsell, a downsell, a back end offer, a front end, whatever you want. And you can mix and match them to create the perfect funnel for your customers. What's really cool is it's going to be really fun watching people find funnels, like combinations of products, and make funnels that are profitable with ads. I am very much going to keep my eye out for anyone who is actually successfully running break-even ads using this strategy. So cool what you can do here. You've got your insights home, all of that. Use the link down in the description. Russell explains it in more depth. Once you get in, you can also see a demo that he did a little while back. And then if you want to promote it, this is a game changer. So make sure you jump on that as fast as you can. Hope it was helpful. Use that link down in the description. Come to this page, sign up, watch Russell's video, all that stuff. And can't wait for you to get inside and check it out for yourself.